Want to find out if this 12-volt tire pumper-upper works? Welcome to Outdoor Gear 411.
With Robbie and Adrian.
You've probably seen tons of these little tire pumper-uppers on TikTok, Instagram. I bought one, I think I got it from Amazon. My car tells me when my tire pressure is low. My left front tire has been low for a couple days. Figured it's time for another real-world test. With this one, you got to plug it into the car, 12 volt. So let's do that first. And I think, yeah. Oh. So it turns on even without your car running. It does have a flashlight, which is cool if this happens at nighttime. And that's just that little button on the back. Okay, so apparently I've lost my cover. You put that thing on there, you clamp it down. It measures your tire pressure, which is 29, which is pretty close to what my car said. So then we're gonna pump it up to what we want it to be, which is about 36. And then flip the switch. And then it shuts off. I'm gonna go ahead and top off the rest of my tires and then we'll see what it does.
Really fast time lapse.
That one didn't need much. Now for the tire pressure to reset in the car, I gotta drive it. So I'll be right back. Here's the results. We are 36 and a half, 37, 36.2, 36.5. So it looks like for my car, which is pretty small, this, I don't even know how to say it, a Strovy, but it's upside down V? I don't know. Either way, it works for my car. I would be really interested to test it like on our van, except for I don't want our van to have low air in the tires. But it'd be interesting to see how well it would work on something a lot heavier. So if you're looking for a little miniature air compressor, if you find out, especially in those cold temperatures, that your air pressure is low and you need to pump it up, or if you have a flat, you know that spare is pretty much never pumped up. This might be a good one. Check it out. We'll put a link below.